Okay, that change the face now.
Yes.
Yes.
I look like that girl.
Yeah.
Look cute. Make it look cute. Put the phone up, Michelle. Turn around straight and act like you're looking over your shoulder. Up. Turn around straight.
Now they wanna listen to us, Jodeci.
See, finish now. Nice now. Again, a little bit thin. You're not too thin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And lips now. Okay.
I look different.
Yeah, pretty. Right?
Yo, my
job.
eyebrows look so good.
Pretty now. Let me put some out for you.
That girl, la la. Yeah, it's something about getting the brows done. Like, you just instantly, it girl. I'm telling y'all, if you having a bad day and you not feeling like that girl, you walk out that hair salon, that nail salon, that spa, and you that girl.
It's a new place.
I'ma be a new girl. La 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 la. Y'all, it's been a long time since I did these eyebrows. And yeah, I'ma look like a new girl when I go in there. Right, Leah? Yes. I can't wait. This the OG spot I used to go to. Y'all know how long they've been doing my eyebrows? Since I was 14. Right, Leah? Since she was 14. I'm so excited. You excited for me? I'm so excited for me. We gotta shave down some of this thickness though, because it's looking real crazy.
Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Burning rubber skirts, burning through these rubbers is exhausting. Drop, hot, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'ma grab you by the hips. Hey, diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know if you're down.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenk, your favorite bougie babe. Today I'm sharing something that's super exciting but also slightly terrifying: getting my eyebrows waxed. Now, I used to get them threaded, and I'm gonna get into that story time. Today I'll be getting waxed by the same person who's been waxing my eyebrows since I was 14. That's right, I've been getting my eyebrows done since way back when. And today I'm gonna walk you down memory lane where I rip out some hair in the process. But first, let me tell you about how my eyebrow journey started. So picture this. I'm like 9 or 10 years old and I've got some serious insecurity about my brows. You know, I was that kid who looked in the mirror and thought, why do I have 2 caterpillars above my eyes? Is this normal? I'm getting a little unibrow. Should I pluck it? Should I just leave it alone? Should I just avoid eye contact with everybody until I turn 16? Sight. Anyway, fast forward to me being a little DIY queen. I decided to pick up some Scotch tape. And I thought, if this works, I know I'm doing something right. So I slap it on my eyebrows like it's a piece of masking tape on a Halloween costume. And yeah, that's right, I rip it. A disaster. My eyebrow were uneven. And I'm talking about, I didn't even want to look people in the eye. But guess what? That middle piece was gone. So I was like a walking Picasso painting. Frida wasn't there with me no more. And my mom, bless her heart, she was so angry with me. And Samantha actually professionally did it for my 8th grade prom in 2014. And she's been holding it down for over a decade now. She's seen me through that awkward middle school phase, and she's been getting me right ever since then. Now I'm a mature grown woman, or whatever that is.
In my soul, press your pride, check your ego, silent mine, at the door. Just because I let
can do this. It's just a little pain. I'm gonna look like that girl. You know what they say, beauty is pain, and also pain is temporary. But these brows, they're forever, baby. Anybody that came to this video and would like to know if threading really hurts, yes, it does. I highly do not recommend, but for the girlies that want their eyebrows to last really long, 3, 4, 5 weeks even, get the threading. Like I said, beauty is pain, and pain is only temporary. Your eyebrows, if you really want to be that girl, go get that thread. Otherwise, if you could take a little bit pain, get your eyebrows waxed, deal with it, suck it up. Just comment in the comment section that she went to go get your eyebrows waxed after watching this video. Send us a girl. Send us a baddie, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. TikTok might be going down. I'm not too sure, but, you know, follow me on TikTok as well. Yes, you a winner, and I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own, and ooh, little beauty. When you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my own. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me.
See? Finish now. Nice now. Again, a little bit thin. You're not too thin.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. And lips now, okay?
A little different?
Yeah, pretty. Right? Next time, no. 5 more years. It's you, okay?
Yeah.
You graduation or something, come here, okay?
8th grade.
Yeah. Take the photo. Sometimes graduation, you know.
But yeah, she been doing my eyebrows since I was 14.
14. You?
She's 7.
Oh, she's 7. Oh, 7 year too. 7 year more.
And I'm 25 now.
Hey, you did photo.
Yeah.
And now you photo. You age. Yeah, you 15 here, right? 10 years, almost. No, little bit up. Yeah, double here.
Doing your eyebrows for the past 11 years.
It's been 11 years, Leah.
Okay, done. Change the face now.
Yes.
Yes.
I look like that girl.
Yeah.
Y'all, my
job.
eyebrows look so good.
Hey, Tina, let me put some oil for you.
Wait, I don't think your eyebrows have changed.
You feel better?
It doesn't.
Yes, just cool down your skin now, okay?
I'll show you the before, Leah.
Yeah.
La la. Get the light over here. That girl, la la. My girl was saying she don't see the difference. The difference is right there. It's real evident. Yeah, it's something about getting the brows done. Like, you just instantly, it girl. I'm telling y'all, If you having a bad day and you not feeling like that girl, you walk out that hair salon, that nail salon, that spa, and you that girl. Now we headed back to the house. I've been trying to figure out what type of content to give y'all. So if y'all know what content y'all want to see on my channel, comment in the comment section down below, because I'm out of ideas. Y'all know the gag. If y'all want your brows done, head over to Friendly Nails. They upgraded the price on your girl, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. They needed to upgrade the price though. They've been falling short, and I've been telling them, listen, the girls want the content. In order to get the content, you gotta have the aesthetics, and they listen. So they going all out now. What is that on my car? Why it look like that? Oh, that's a reflection. I thought it was falling off. Ooh, good lord.